A new exhibition in Dublin called No Irish Need Apply examines the economic history of Irish emigrants and their descendants in England from the 19th century to the present day. The exhibition uses analysis and personal stories to offer a new perspective on how Irish emigrants and those of Irish heritage have fared in England.
You'd nearly cry in Camden Town to see the finest young Irish lads from 18 years of age leaping and jumping upon Murphy's wagons, and the graded in like cattle.
Diving deep into the paperwork of the emigrant story, where generations of Irish people went to England, is at the heart of this exhibition. Using birth, death and health records, a new picture of the challenges faced by the Irish in England is on display here.
So what motivated me was, as an economic historian who crunches big data in terms of social mobility, wealth and equality, what could you do using names to identify the Irish in these English records to pin down exactly how they fared in England over centuries?
Their research shows that for over 150 years, the Irish in England were on average 50% poorer than their English neighbours.
The big revelation is that even though Irish people found work and opportunity and a new life in England, they also faced significant disadvantage. For a very long time, they were much poorer than the English average. It took really until the 1990s for things like infant mortality and average wealth of families to catch up. But what's really interesting is that since then, the Irish have done very well in England.
This exhibition delves deep into the darker side of the Irish emigrants' experience in the UK, really delving into the hardships that people suffered, but also looking for the light, celebrating the sports, the culture and the resilience.
Irish people have been emigrating to England for longer than anywhere else. It's been the primary destination going back centuries. And since 1920, it's the largest group among the Irish diaspora in terms of first-generation immigrants. So we have 1 in 10 people in England today have Irish heritage and would be entitled to an Irish passport. So this is a really significant story.
The Irish moving to England, a familiar road for so many. Evelyn O'Rourke, RTÉ News, Dublin City Centre.